Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Nicola Valley, a wide, open stretch of land in the southern interior of British Columbia. This valley is named after Chief Nicola, a respected Indigenous leader from the early 1800s who brought together different First Nations in the region. The valley has long been home to the Naqapamux and Syilx peoples who have deep ties to this land. Later, ranchers and settlers arrived in the late 1800s, drawn by the grasslands, rivers, and rich soil. Today, the Nicola Valley is known for its rolling hills, lakes, and a mix of ranching, farming, and outdoor recreation. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Nicola Valley, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.